If you run a WooCommerce store, you might be sitting on a revenue stream you haven't tried yet. What if, instead of just selling products, you could host a live review, sell up to 200 seats for that event, then give away the item off to one of your viewers, all automated and fully transparent? That's exactly what the ReviewRaffles plugin does. And in this video, I'm going to show you step by step how to run a webinar giveaway right inside WordPress using ReviewRaffles. We'll go from installing the plugin, creating your first webinar raffle, letting customers pick their own seats, going live, and selecting a winner. Hey guys, it's James from gigapress.net. If you want to skip ahead to a specific step, check the timestamps and you can jump straight to it. So, what exactly is the plugin? ReviewRaffles is a WordPress plugin that lets you sell seats for a webinar-style live product review, then give away the item to one of your viewers. Instead of running basic giveaways, you sell seats for a live product review, set the price per seat, limit the number of available spots, and let customers buy access to your live review. Then, after the review is done, you use the built-in randomizer to select one viewer to receive the product as a door prize. If you're looking for a unique way to boost engagement and better monetize your WooCommerce store, I definitely recommend checking it out. Now, let me show you how this actually works. After the plugin has been installed, find ReviewRaffles in your WordPress dashboard. Hover over that and click Add Webinar. That will open the Add Webinar page, where you can quickly configure the webinar product your customers will see in your store. On this page, we're going to fill in the basic details for the webinar. Product name. This is the title of your webinar. For example, Live Review and Raffle Sample Product. Category. By default, this will use whatever you set as the default webinar category in the ReviewRaffles settings. You can leave it as is, or change it to any other category that makes sense for your store. Short description. A quick summary that appears near the top of the product page. Description. The full description, where you can explain what you'll cover in the live review, how the raffle works, and why people should grab a seat. Image. Upload a clear product image so customers can see exactly what's being reviewed and raffled. Price. Set the price per seat. Maximum seats. Choose how many seats you want to make available for this webinar. Below that, you'll see a field for schedule publication. If you want the webinar to go live at a specific time in the future, enter the date and time here. If you leave this field empty, the webinar will be published right away as soon as you save it. Check the Send Notification checkbox to notify all your customers about the new webinar. Once you have set up all the necessary parameters and entered all the necessary information for your webinar, click the Create Webinar button to save it. You can always open its edit page later if you need to tweak any details. After it's published, your new webinar will appear on your products page in the dashboard, and it will be available on your storefront for customers to purchase seats. Now let's take a quick look at what this looks like from the customer's POV. On the front end of your site, your webinar will appear just like any other product in your store. When a visitor clicks on it, they'll land on the webinar product page with the title and main image you set up, your description, price per seat, and the Add to Cart area. Now, as you can see, instead of a basic quantity box or a simple drop-down, ReviewRaffles gives your customers a visual, color-coded seat map for the webinar. Available seats are shown in one color, taken seats use a different color, and reserved seats are clearly marked as well. Your customer can click directly on the specific seat numbers they want to reserve. Once they've picked their seats, and from there, the process is just like any other WooCommerce purchase. They review their cart, go through your usual checkout flow, and complete payment using the gateways you already have set up. Now let's switch back to the admin side and look at what happens when you're ready to actually run the webinar. Once customers have bought their seats and you're ready to actually run the webinar, there are three main steps on the admin side. Move the webinar out of stock, send your Go Live notification, and then select a winner from the attendee list. In your WordPress admin dashboard, go to Products and find the webinar you want to run. Click on it to open the product details. For ReviewRaffles to let you send a Go Live notification and select a winner, this webinar needs to be marked as out of stock. If all seats were purchased already, WooCommerce will do this automatically. Click Save Changes at the bottom of the Variation section, then click Update on the right-hand side of the product page. Once the stock is at 0 and the product is updated, this webinar is officially closed for new sales and ready to go live. With the webinar out of stock, you'll now see options to send a Go Live notification for this product. Here, you can enter the URL for your live webinar, for example, a Zoom link or another streaming platform, add a passcode if your webinar requires one, and set the start time for the event. When you send this notification, ReviewRaffles will automatically email or text, depending on how you've set up your email and SMS templates, all customers who purchased a seat for this webinar, so everyone who paid gets the link and details they need to join. After you've held the webinar and you're now ready to pick a winner for the raffle, stay on the same product in Products and then your webinar. Scroll down to the Customer List section on the Product Details page. This is where you'll see everyone who bought a seat for this webinar. Click the Select Attendee button to open the winner selection screen. On this page, you can use the built-in randomizer powered by random.org on the right to generate a random seat number and then match it to the corresponding customer to pick them as the winner from the list. When you go back to the Product Details page and refresh, you'll see the winner highlighted in green in the Customer List section. If you need shipping and contact details for the winner, just click the order number next to their name. That will take you to the Order Details page, where you can see their full information and arrange delivery of the prize. And that's how you've created a webinar product, sold the seats, gone live, and selected a winner. All from inside WordPress using ReviewRaffles. To keep your webinar raffles running smoothly, you'll want to configure a few key settings. So let's jump into the key settings inside ReviewRaffles. In your WordPress admin dashboard, go to the ReviewRaffles menu and click the ReviewRaffles tab. This is where you'll find all the plugins' main settings. Random Seat Generator. This controls whether seats can be randomly allocated for webinar participants. Turn this on if you want ReviewRaffles to help you randomly assign seats, or turn it off if you want full manual control. Winner Notification to Others. This option decides whether everyone else gets notified when a winner is selected. Select Yes if you want all participants to receive a notification when the winner is chosen. You can also control whether a participant tab is visible in the webinar interface, so viewers can see who has joined. If you select Yes for the login restriction, users have to log in before they can access the webinar. In Login Button Text, here you can customize the text on the login button. For example, you could set it to something like log in, sign in, or any short call to action that fits your brand. Next, Enable Winner Selection controls whether you're allowed to select winners inside the webinar. Enable Notification. This is the main switch for notifications. If you select Yes, participants can receive updates and announcements. In the notification mode, if you select Immediate, it will send a notification every time a new webinar is published. If Daily Batch, collect all new webinars and send a single message per day instead of one at a time. Then you can set a specific time for when those daily notifications should go out. You can also set the seat hold timer, so when someone adds seats to their cart, they only hold them for a few minutes before they are released back to the pool. There's also a control where you can see your webinar videos or replays. You can decide whether webinar replay videos are visible to everyone or only to customers who actually purchased a seat. Here you can customize the emails and texts that go out for new webinars, winner announcements, and even Zoom reminders, using placeholders like first name and product name to keep everything personalized and on brand. And also the winner page appearance, so you can match your branding. For most people, the easiest way to start is to turn on notifications, set a reasonable seat hold time, around 5 to 10 minutes, and require login if you want that extra layer of control. Once you've made your changes, don't forget to click Save Changes. You can always come back later and fine-tune things as you run more webinar raffles and see what works best for your audience. And that's it! You've seen how to use ReviewRaffles with WooCommerce to create a webinar product, sell out the seats, go live, and pick a winner right from your dashboard. From here, you can just repeat the same process for every new product you want to review and raffle. For more WordPress tutorials, our free WordPress masterclass, and fast and reliable web hosting, visit gigapress.net. Thank you, and see you next time.